Hello everyone, this is Mai Patel here from the team Blue Squiders. We are here to represent our project, the AI Adaptive Onboarding Engine, a system that is designed to turn every hire into a very personalized success story. So the idea started with a very simple observation that today most of the companies follow a one size fits all onboarding systems, but in reality, every candidate is different. They come with a different skill sets and backgrounds and strengths. So because of this, many new hires struggle to adapt the important skill gaps and go unnoticed. So we wanted to solve this problem by making the onboarding more intelligent and personalized. So our solution is an AI powered system where a user will simply upload the resume and provides a job description. The system that analyzes the both inputs and compares the candidate skills with the job requirements. It identifies the missing skills and generates a personalized learning roadmap. So instead of being confused about what to do or learn next, the user will get a very cleared and a structured roadmap for the same. This is the first landing page of our website. So hereby I'll just start the get started one. Hereby you are required to create an account, but basically right now I'm having an account, so I'll just log in through my email ID and password. This is the main dashboard of our website. Hereby, first of all, we are required to upload our resume into a PDF form. Then we need to provide the job description, like what are the skills that are willing to learn for the particular job you are targeting. Then there is an optional career goal one, that what are the career goals you are targeting, like your target role. Hereby I'll enter the front end. Then the target company basically, and the skills that we ultimately want to learn for targeting that particular role. Now, if we generate an analysis for the same, we'll be providing with the analysis dashboard that will give a resume match, the ATS parsing, and the critical skill gaps and the matched skills. So once the data will be processed, the user gets a detailed dashboard. This will all include all the kind of ATS scores, match scores, the job role that are required for the same. It also clearly highlights the critical skill gaps. For example, the skills like React, JavaScript, or Git, while also showing the skills the user already has, like Python, HTML, and CSS. So this gives the user complete clarity about where they stand and what they need to improve. So based on this analysis, the system generates a personalized roadmap. So instead of random learning, user gets step-by-step guidance focused on their weak areas. This helps them to improve faster and they become job ready in a more efficient way. Another key features is the company specific progression for our from our website. So in the company specific preparation, basically, if a user is targeting a company like Google, the system will suggest focusing on the areas such as data structures, problem solving, system designing, and communication. This will make their preparation much more effective. From the technical perspective, we have built this using a modern stack like front end for the user interaction and a back end to handle the processing, and the AI based analysis for extracting the skills. Then there is also a deep analysis. This will provide a deep analysis about the ATS resume, like the missing keywords from your resume, the strengths of your resume, the warnings that are required to be controlled in, and the kind of the recommended fixes, that what are the small fixes you can do so that your resume becomes much more ATS friendly. Then there is the a roadmap and the projects, that what are the things now you need to do now, like you need to build a full stack project overflow. Then there is a backend APIs and the analytical service you need to do, and the interactive front end dashboard too. Overall, our solution creates a value for both job seekers and the companies. It helps the candidates improve in the right direction and enables the companies to onboard talent more effectively. To conclude with, our goal is to transform the onboarding from a generic process into a personalized journey, because the every right guidance at the every right time can truly transform a potentially into success. Thank you so much. We would be happy to welcome any of your questions.